Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial showing you how to navigate different video views in Pencil spaces. Today we'll be covering how you can expand your video into a gallery, speaker mode, or full screen view, and how you can shift or minimize your video on the whiteboard canvas. First, let's go over the different views you can navigate by expanding your video. In this case, I have shared my screen just to show you the different views you can navigate. To expand your video, click on the purple double-sided arrow on the bottom left of your video. It should say expanded view when you hover over it. You'll initially be brought into a gallery view where you can see all participants or all screen shares at once. If you want to expand into a speaker view, hover over anyone's video or screen share and click the pin icon. Then the video you chose will be spotlighted. If I want to change which video is pinned, simply hover over someone else's video and click the pin icon. I can also navigate into a full screen view for a fully immersive experience. In this case, I'm going to hover over my screen share and click the full screen button. Here, I still have the ability to access any of my whiteboard controls, and I can easily exit this view by clicking the Exit Full Screen button at the bottom left corner. Then, if you want to return to your whiteboard view, click the purple Back to Board button. Now let's go over the different video layouts that we have to offer. By default, your video will be at the top, but if you want to move it over to the right, click on the video layout button next to the expanded view button. Here you'll see three options: top, right, and minimized. You can shift the video over to the right by clicking the right button. As you can see, all of the videos have shifted over to the right along with my controls. But let's say I want to maximize my whiteboard real estate. I can simply click the video layout button and choose minimized instead of the other options. Here, you won't be able to see anyone's video while you're on the whiteboard, but you have all of the whiteboard space to create anything that you'd like. Even though you can't see anyone's video in the minimized view, you can still tell who's speaking by the indicator at the top. If I unmute myself and start speaking, you could see that my name pops up. If I want to shift back into the default video view, simply click Video Layout and click Top. Now you can see both video streams at the same time while working on the whiteboard. That is it for today's tutorial on how to navigate different video views and layouts in Pencil spaces. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching.